Friday morning, and we're going to head outside. Look at that. The sun is shining outside, Chris.
Can I do it or can I do it? I tell you what, the magic weather guy here, we are bringing out the sunshine just in time for unveiling of the Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck. Matthew Jennings with Lakeside is here. This is quite the project. Thank you for teaming up with us, because I'm a big fan of getting outside all the time and doing weather outside, because that's where weather happens. Tell me a little bit about the deck, and especially the deck boards that you guys are putting in, because this is, it looks like it, but that's not real wood.
Yes, so this is a Duralife composite deck plank. Composite deck planks are really the wave of the future, or what most decks are built with nowadays for low maintenance and long lasting decks to be constructed. It's a capped composite that clips into a step clip system, which is really what we think is a fantastic product. If you damage a board, it can be cut out and then snapped right back in place, just for sake of any happenstance.
For folks who have done the manufactured floors, the SnapIn floors, is it loosely kind of like that SnapIn, not necessarily tongue and groove though?
Yeah, not necessarily tongue and groove. Really, it's a little bit more structural, a little bit more rigid. So where that's a floating system, this is going to be locked in. So we don't want to have anything floating on a deck. So the clip system is really fundamentally nailed into the structure, and then it's clipped in and it's not coming out.
One of the cool things you showed me before, I'm going to walk up here, is, you know, it looks like it could be slick. There's water on it from the rain, but when you this is really, it holds tight. I mean, it's not quite like a rubber floor that would stick, but it holds tight. You don't have to worry about slipping and sliding on that.
Yeah, Duralife has done an awesome job of making a product that it's almost like it gets tackier when it gets wet, and also for the hot St. Louis summers, it is the coolest deck plank on the market.
Those are two winners. It's cool during the summer, it's not slick, and we're going to be out here when it's hot, when it's slick, when it's raining, when it's snowing. Matthew, thank you very much. Look forward to the finished product. When can we use it for good?
A couple more weeks.
A couple more weeks?
Yep.
We might sneak out here once or twice. Obviously, we don't need it today because of the sunshine, at least right now, but a little bit later today, that roof and canopy probably going to come in handy, because we have more rain on the way. Can't wait to get out and use it for good. It is the Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck coming here to Fox 2 News. All right, let's go ahead and check out the weather for today.